In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card to make an online purchase. Now, whether you're treating yourself or buying a gift for someone special, Visa gift cards can be a convenient and easy way to pay. Let's break it down step by step to ensure that the process is as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, when you're ready to check out, you'll want to locate the option that says Add a credit or debit card. This is the section where we'll input our gift card details. It's crucial to remember that your Visa gift card acts just like a credit or debit card, even though it may not look exactly like one. So, you'll want to have the card ready in hand. Most websites and apps allow you to add this information during the payment stage. If you don't see it immediately, it might be under a subsection like Payment Methods in the checkout process. Next, once you've located the right section to add your card, it's time to input the card details. On your Visa gift card, you'll find the card number, expiration date, and CVV. The card number is typically the long series of numbers embossed or printed on the front, much like any standard credit card. Enter this number carefully, double checking for any errors, as even a tiny mistake can cause issues with processing your payment. Follow this by entering the expiration date, which should be near the card number. This usually consists of a 2-digit month followed by a 2-digit year. Make sure you enter these numbers in the correct fields to avoid any hiccups. Finally, input the CVV code. This is a 3-digit number often found on the back of the card. It's a security measure to help verify that you indeed have the card in your possession. Double check this number as well, since it's crucial for completing your payment successfully. Once you've carefully entered all the card details, proceed with the transaction as usual. This means confirming any additional details, like shipping or billing information if required, before finalizing your payment. You should proceed just as you would with any other credit or debit card. Remember, it's always a good idea to hang on to your gift card until you're sure your purchase is complete and the transaction has gone through. This way, you have a point of reference in case any issues arise. And there you have it, a simple guide to using your Visa gift card for online purchases. I hope this has been helpful and you feel more confident using your gift card to shop. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.